Welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Tracy, and in this video, we're jumping right into an adorable fall/Halloween woodcraft with an interesting painting technique. So let's go ahead and get started. We begin with the base of this project. It is a fun little wood pumpkin cutout I purchased from Hobby Lobby during their fall sale. I start by painting one of the sides with 2 coats of this Anita's acrylic paint in a light taupe color. Once that is dried, I come in with a 1.5-inch painter's tape and I tape off stripes using a smaller piece as my spacing guide. I then come in with an acrylic paint in pumpkin orange and I dry brush the taupe stripes, leaving a light orange stripe as you'll see here. I remove the tape, flip the pumpkin, and continue the same process. Once these stripes are finished, I leave the tape on and I add back the tape in the original tape spots. Creating a small block pattern, as you'll see. I then paint the blocks a solid orange, I let them dry slightly, and I peel the tape to reveal this gorgeous, easy buffalo checked plaid pattern. Now that that is dry, I flip it over and I paint the other side a solid orange. I then come in with a little bit of black paint and a dry brush and some sandpaper and give it a little bit of a distressed look. Next, I move on to prepping the other wood cutouts. I start by filling in the hanger holes with spackle. Once the spackle is dried, I sand the spots flush with the wood, and then I paint it a light coat of dark brown. I paint my ghost white and I dry brush the cutout edges in black. And I finish by painting my boo sign wood cutout in black. Now that my pumpkin base is dry, I can start attaching my wood pieces. But first, I paint the pumpkin stem a dark brown. I hot glue the Hello Fall cutout to the buffalo check side and the ghost to the solid orange side, and I attach the Boo word cutout directly to the center of the ghost. I then finished the signs by adding bows and a raffia hanger. I think this is the perfect budget-friendly piece to transition from fall to Halloween. I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Until next time, happy crafting!